Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use a virtual camera on OBS for Zoom, Discord, Skype, and etc. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do, if you haven't already, is to download OBS from these platforms via the installer, via BitTorrent, download zip, get it from Microsoft, and on Steam, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, using OBS or Open Broadcaster software as a virtual camera allows you to use OBS scenes and sources as your webcam feed in video conferencing applications like Zoom, Discord, Skype, and others. And here's how you can set it up. The first thing you need to do is go to the official website of OBS or Open Broadcaster software, and of course, download the OBS virtual cam. As you can see, there is the official link here. You can click here or you can also click here. It's up to you. Now, when you do that, as you can see, what will happen is there's a small notification that says this plugin will not be updated to support OBS 28. All right. Now, just click on the virtual cam filter if you wanted. Now, once you have properly displayed or installed the virtual camera, you should be able to see that on the tools option right here. You should be able to load the OBS virtual camera. Now, if it doesn't work, there's going to be a problem with the installation process. I suggest you reinstall that again and try to search for the option that you are given option to select how many virtual cameras you wanted to choose, mostly from 1, 2s, and 3s. And if it still doesn't work, you need to contact the OBS support for further assistance. They would be able to guide you on troubleshooting steps and insights on how to properly use or install the virtual camera if it wasn't successful in your case. Alternatively, you might want to also join the OBS community Discord server. They have like a 180,000 members, which is going to be active and accommodating to any of your concerns, especially if some of them experience the virtual camera not working for OBS. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.